Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Emotional Fitness. During this pandemic period, most of the people are worried about the third wave of corona and how it is going to affect us. This is but natural, but many a times people worry about silly things which may not even happen and they realize it at a later stage. This is called borrowing trouble, and this is nicely illustrated in the following story. There was once a man and a woman who had planned to spend a day at their friend's house, which was far away from their own. One pleasant morning, they started out to make the visit, but they had not gone very far before the woman remembered about the bridge which they had to cross. The bridge was very old, and people had told that it is very unsafe to cross the bridge, but there was no other way also to cross the bridge. The woman started worrying, and she asked the husband, "What shall we do about the bridge? I shall not dare to cross over it." "Oh," said the man, "I forgot about the bridge. It's a bad place. Suppose the bridge breaks in between and we fall into the river and get drowned." The woman said, "Suppose you step on the rotten plank and break your legs, then what would happen about me and my child?" "I don't know," said the man. The woman said, "What could happen to all of us, for I couldn't go to work and so we'll have to starve to death." So they kept on worrying till they came to the bridge. And lo, they saw that since they had been there last, the new bridge had been built and they could cross the bridge with perfect safety, and felt that they could have spared themselves from all the anxiety. Some people worry about the trouble that they expect to have long before it comes. Sometimes, and quite often, the trouble they expect never comes. So all the worry gives them needless pain, and it affects the organs that is connected to it. Now let's see which organs are affected because of this worry. The organs that are affected because of our over worrying is stomach, pancreas and spleen. Too much worrying and insecurity weakens our ability to digest it. If we take the food when we are too much worried, then it makes it impossible for us to digest the food, and this makes us feel tired, lethargic and unable to concentrate. Now let's see how we can use bach flower remedies to help us to come out of these situations. In these situations, when people are in different places and sometimes we are unable to reach them, many people get worried about the safety and security of their near and dear ones. They get all different types of thoughts as what would happen to them, and we cannot even go and reach them. For such type of fear of near and dear ones, red chestnut is of a great help, and it would help them to calm and feel that they will be safe in their own places. Some people act as if everything is okay and they do not show their worries outside, and they do not express it to anybody. If somebody asks, "How are you feeling?" they feel, "Oh, everything is okay," but they inside they are too much worried, and this affects their health. For such type of people, agrimony is a very good remedy. It helps us to let out our feelings and say it to at least to somebody who is very close to us. Many people have fearful worries, and they have a feeling that something is going to happen. Especially in this present situations, we have a feeling that something bad is going to happen. For all such type of worries, aspen is of great help. Some people want to possess things of people, and so they are always worried about it and are anxious that they should not lose them, for they feel that they cannot live without it. For such type of people, chicory is of great help. Some people keep on worrying about the past which has already happened and which we cannot change them. For such type of people, honeysuckle would be of great help. It would help them to focus their mind in the present and not worry about the past. Some people's minds are always filled with unwanted thoughts which keeps on rotating in their mind. They keep on thinking about the problems which have been unsolved. For such type of people, white chestnut is of great help. It helps them to calm their mind and live in a peaceful way so that they can concentrate in the present. In this pandemic period, many people are worried about the third wave which is going to affect, and so they have fearful thoughts about it. For such type of people, Clematis is of great help. It would help us to concentrate our mind in the present instead of worrying about the future. So let us not worry much and spoil our health and keep our mind calm and peaceful with the help of match flower remedies.
If you all like this video, please like, share, comment, and if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.